Core have a fundamentally different understanding of workplace, company, and team dynamics. With Core, business is an ecosystem. We create teams that naturally and easily adapts to new markets and quickly form partnerships with other companies, customers, and even competitors. We build a community of individual hopes and dreams, all connected to a higher purpose, inspiring each other to dedicate themselves to the success of their peers and therefore to the community and the company at large. Excellence is expected everywhere, from the security to the production room. As a result, employees at all levels take charge of their own destinies. Our motivation comes from vision, not fear. Core inspires its people to see a better future and how they will be a part of it. We see change as an inevitable part of life. The Cores know that success is only possible if employees and organizations embrace new ideas and new ways of doing business. Work for Core is seen as something that should be inherently enjoyable, and believe therefore that our most important job is, as much as possible, put our people, our clients, in jobs and relationships that will make them truly